After more than 10 years of research and clinical experience with the original doll chair assembly task, DCAT-2 is now here to modernize work-oriented neurorehabilitation. The dynamic complex assessment task was developed to improve the ecological validity of work-oriented neurorehab by integrating competitive employment standards into occupational therapy clinics. DCAT-2 measures the client's abilities so that you can compare them to the abilities required in their job by using ONET, the Occupational Information Network system. DCAT-2 provides opportunities for the therapist to gradually provide the client with just right challenges on a progressive occupational demand basis. DCAT-2 also allows the evaluator to challenge the client so that potential problems with vocational executive dysfunction can be brought to light. There are 15 related versions of DCAT-2 evaluations that support a multi-method approach to cross-validation of the test results. DCAT-2 work sample tests and situational assessments can both be used with the same evaluee, taking advantage of each approach's strengths. The situational assessments are especially powerful methods to observe naturalistic behavior in simulated work activities so that your clinic's ecological validity is greatly improved. DCAT-2 can be used to measure 9 of the evaluee's Occupational Information Network abilities, 6 of which are cognitive, through the use of behaviorally anchored rating scales in the clinic, followed by comparison to the ONET online database of abilities for almost all jobs in the modern workforce. The DCAT-2 employability rating scale provides structure that is followed by the evaluator to determine the level of accommodation the client will need to return to work. The rating scale is embedded in each of the DCAT-2 evaluation records, so that the evaluation can unfold on a safe and dependable basis at the same time that the evaluee's performance is quantified. Thank you for your interest in DCAT-2. We look forward to helping you help your clients move back to competitive employment on a safe and dependable basis. Contact us at mathesondevelopment.com.